Hi, I'm a Mario, but my name is Robert. It looks like a good pasta.
Ah, Luigi Mario. My name is Nick, and I like my pasta with the vino first. Grazie.
Grazie, yeah.
Mario. Cheers.
Cheers.
Anyway, so pasta. You like the pasta? Apito rotovato.
Oh, a pitovato too.
Apito rotovato. Baba boopy. Pasta, very good.
So, Luigi, what did you do at the Nintendo San Francisco store today?
Mario, I went there and people very friendly there. Very friendly, Mario.
I heard there's a Doug Bowser there. Doug Bowser, he's very evil.
Oh, Doug Bowser, a very good person.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Doug Bowser, very good person. He just need to talk to people more, know about culture. I think if Doug Bowser know about culture, then he'd be a greater president. What'd you say?
I heard Doug Bowser, he a family man. He has a lot of kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Doug Bowser, former president of VA, but still good person. Still good person.
Okay.
Oh, the pasta, Mario.
It's a good.
It's a good pasta.
Molto bene. Molto
Molto
bene.
bene.
Molto bene. Yeah.
Molto bene. Molto bene. I miss the Brooklyn. Don't you miss the Brooklyn?
I miss the pizza.
Ah.
I miss the pizza.
I miss my mama. My mama is so good to us. More mama.
I miss the arancini balls. The
Mama made arancini was
Mamma
so
mia.
good. Aunt Pina? Aunt Pina, godmother?
No, such a good pizza.
Oh, such good pizza, Aunt Pina.
Yeah.
Thank you, Aunt Pina. I love you, Aunt Pina. You are so good, Aunt Pina, to us. We love Aunt Pina, right?
I love Aunt Pina.
You know what I really love most? Oh, grandmother Faris Scofani.
The Faris Scofani.
Faris Scofani is so beautiful. So. Oh, pasta, so good. Oh, I need some pistachio cheesecake.
It's the Garofalo. It's the Garofalo from Italy.
Oh, from Italy.
It's a Mastracholi.
From Florence or Umbria or Sicily or
Piedmont.
Oh,
I think it's
Piedmont.
Piedmont.
Oh, Piedmont.
Yeah, northern Italy. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Well, Mario, what else do you think about today at the Nintendo store?
I heard you got us some street passes.
Yes, I got lots of
You got street passes.
I'd like a street pass. Street pass about cultural impact and cultural trades and
Yeah.
content like Satori Iwata.
Yeah. I heard you told the Doug Bowser about the street pass.
I tried to, but he wasn't around and I couldn't give him my ladder.
Aww.
I wanted to give Doug Bowser the ladder.
Maybe he'll be there tomorrow.
Doug Bowser, please take my ladder. So, Mario, we need to wrap up the video.
Okay, Luigi.
Grazie. Like, comment, and subscribe. Nick the Gaming Honor out. Thank you for watching.